Hey folks, sometimes the days just end on a really nice note, and this is the way this one is ending. Take a look at that. Sunset just a little while ago, but that orange kind of lasts for another 20, 30 minutes, something like that, with some high clouds in the mix. What a beautiful view. This looking southwest from Sky 5 in McAllen on Nolana. This is Nolana right here. And these are about the only clouds we're going to see the rest of the night. They should move out. We'll have a clear sky the rest of the night. So just have a nice view of the moon later on. Let's look at where temperatures are right now. And for the most part, we're in the 50s. Still a couple places in the 60s. Weslaco, Rio Grande City. Everybody else has already cooled into the 50s under the mainly clear skies. It's going to stay clear pretty much all night long. And then maybe a little patchy fog late if the dew points come up just a little bit, but that won't be the big issue. It's just another chilly night. Not as chilly as the last couple, but cool nonetheless. 56 at the beach, most of us in the 40s, and then Rio Grande City should end up at about 38 degrees by tomorrow morning. High temperatures, well, we're getting back closer to normal. The normal now is at 80, and tomorrow will be in the upper 70s in the west, mid 70s in the east, and about 68 at the beach. Southeast winds at about 5 to 13. Looks like just a beautiful day. Bright sunshine, light winds, low humidity. Blue skies, just gorgeous. Now take a look. The next 3 days we go up a little bit. Never quite make it to that 80. Looks like now that front on Monday will push a little bit down to our south, and with that, temperatures will go down a little bit. And then we start working our way back up toward Thanksgiving. And by then we should be back into the mid 70s, but instead of mid 80s like we were talking about yesterday. The front will have an impact. It just won't be quite so hot on Thanksgiving. Still mild, but not hot like we were talking about yesterday. So cloud cover, you saw those high clouds go across, and that should be about it for the night. There goes a batch earlier today. And if you look at the rest of the night, for the most part, it's clear. There's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 a.m. By noon, sunshine takes over. Beautiful day across the valley tomorrow. Ought to be a really nice one. Tomorrow night, still mainly clear for football. Saturday, southeast winds kick back in. That brings more moisture. That brings a few clouds in. Probably not much in the way of rain yet on Saturday. I think it's just more clouds. Not enough moisture yet. It's going to take a while for that moisture to get back in here. But by Sunday, I think by then there's enough moisture for showers. Probably not a thunderstorm, but scattered showers across the region. You can see by the yellow, the rain could be significant in a few places, so the chances of rain ramping up as we get to the second half of the weekend, then staying with us into early next week. Don't see anything tomorrow, don't see anything Saturday, but we jump to 50% for both Sunday and Monday, and then we kind of taper it off, and then we're mainly dry by Thanksgiving. Not sure it's going to be a completely dry day yet, but I think for the most part it should be. Maybe a leftover morning shower, something like that, but it's still a week away. Still time to get a better idea. Not much going on in Texas tonight. Future Check takes that little patch of clouds out of here as high pressure moves off to the east. With that, our southeast wind kicks in, making it warmer on Friday, warmer yet on Saturday, but then here comes that front pushing into Texas on Sunday. Ahead of it, lots of moisture spilling into South Texas as the cooler temperatures build southward. Again, now the models do push the front all the way to our south. It's going to have low pressure develop right here, and that'll shove the cooler air a little bit farther to the south and bring it down from the north, giving us clouds and probably a few showers, probably Monday, even into Tuesday, maybe Wednesday, by the time things taper off, perhaps by Thanksgiving. At the coast, southeast winds 5 to 10, much better conditions there than just a day or two ago. Just a light chop, the UV's high. No advisories tomorrow with a low risk of rip currents. The low tide 2:40 in the afternoon, the high tide tomorrow night at 11:09 p.m. So for tonight, mainly clear and chilly, 43 for a low, variable winds. Then tomorrow, back up to 74. Look at that, sunny and nice, light southeasterly winds. Be a good one. Saturday looks pretty nice too, 75 with a few clouds. Sunday, though, a few showers show up. Maybe some sun, not a lot, but maybe a little bit. And then Monday, Tuesday, chance of showers. Wednesday, still a stray shower. Thanksgiving, the turkey's kind of trying to cool things off, and he's done good so far because yesterday the forecast was in the 80s. Now it's back to the 70s, so maybe that tail flapping is doing the work. That's your updated First One 5 forecast.